What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of the Ski Channel, Swift Coding for everyone. I'm Sanar Edwards and glad to be here once again. So, continuing on lesson 2.1, talking about strings, we're going to go into string concatenation and string interpolation. Interpolation. Did I say that right? Interpolation. 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 Anyway, we're going to go into that. Basically, when you want to combine strings, you can do one of a few things. You can combine them using the plus sign, or you can concatenate, or you can interpolate them by putting in the raw value of them, and using the escape character. So we're going to do that. We're going to start off with concatenation. And to be honest, this way is not my favorite. I don't know how to spell it. So we'll see. Concatenation. Alright, so let's say you had a string. So we'll say let string 1 equals what up? And we'll say let string 2 equals h-time. H-time. Alright, so string 2 is h-time. So we'll do this, and then we'll say let my string equals, we'll say string 1 plus string 2. So that's news, right? So not only can the plus operator be assigned to ints or doubles or numbers period in the Swift programming language, you can also assign it to strings when you want to add them together. So as you can see, we added them together, and I can print this out. Print my string so you can see it. And there's no space. That's another important thing about concatenation. You got to make sure you add the space. So I'll add the space right there by the H. And I'll also give it a question mark and an exclamation mark. What up, H-time? There you go. So that's how you do that. Alright, something else we can do is this. So we can say var another string. And we'll just say hello this time to all the traditionalists and sophisticated folks. Hi there. So we'll say hello. And then we'll go this. We'll say another string equals another string. And we'll say plus world. All right. So now we've got that, and then we'll say another string. I'll also do this. Plus equals hello. All right, so now we can print it. So we'll say print another string. And hopefully we got it right because we included the spaces we want. So let's see. It should say hello world, hello. And it does, as you can see from the bottom. Cool. So now if you guys are like, man, that kind of, that seems kind of hard to think about the different spaces and this and that, like, and a plus equal sign, whatever. Well, there's another way in which I like a little bit better. And it's called interpolation. Interpolation. Yeah. All right, here we go. So you can do this. So you can say let my name equals We'll say ski. You say let my favorite speaker equals Dr. Eric Thomas. All right, so let's do this. And we'll say let greeting equals, we'll say hello, my name is, and we'll escape it first, escape it, do a parentheses, open and close, and we'll say, we're going to use the raw value, the variable in there. Hello, my name is, my name, and my favorite speaker is, I'm going to do the same thing. Escape it, and then you do the open and close parentheses, and you'll say my favorite speaker. All right, so this is called string interpolation, where you're putting the variables inside of the string. All right, so let's print our greeting, and let's just see this in action. All right, so what do we have here? Let's look at the bottom. Let's look at the console area. Look at that. Hello, my name is Ski, and my favorite speaker is Dr. Eric Thomas. Look how that worked out. That was incredible, right? And a whole lot better than, the concatenation up here. I know, that may seem a little, difficult on the outset, but if you keep using it, it'll get easier, just like, just with anything, obviously. So we're gonna do something even with numbers. So let's do this. So we'll say, let A equals 9, and we'll say let B equals 13. You can do something like this. So you can say let add equals, if A equals, let's do this. If A is A and B is B, that's the name of our variable, then we can do some addition up in here. So let's say that's A plus B. So let's see what we get. All right, let me create some space. I wonder if it'll work. Let's see. Does it matter? No. Okay, let's do that. All right, let's print this. Let's print add. Look at that. If A is 9 and B is 13, then, oh, I forgot that. Then A plus B is, there you go. If A is 9 and B is 13, then A plus B is 22. There you go. Look at that. So you had some integers in there, and you had some addition just with some string interpolation. I'll get it one day. Don't worry about that. But hopefully you'll practice enough and you'll get these concepts. Thank you for joining me on the Ski channel, Swift Coding for Everyone. Stay tuned for more of lesson 2.1, where we discuss more about different things you can do with strings. Take care.